We look at the second example. We are told to work out the following. 966,505 we subtract 47,869. We are going to use the same method. So, step number 1, we have said you need to rearrange these numbers vertically. So, arrange vertically. And don't forget, you are arranging according to the place value. So let us write down the first number. You have 966,505. Now, 5 represents ones. In the second number, 9 represents ones. So 9 will come below 5. Then 0 represents tens. In this case, 6 represents tens. So 6 will come below 0. 5 represents hundreds and 8 represents hundreds. So 8 will come at that position. 6 represents thousands. 7 represents thousands. So 7 will come at that position. And finally, 6 represents tens of thousands. And 4 here represents tens of thousands. So 4 will come at that position. 9 represents hundreds of thousands. But in our second number, we don't have any other digit. So we are going to leave it like that. We are done with the first step. Step number 2. We have said, don't forget to put the subtraction sign. And we have said you put the subtraction sign on the left side. So you put it at that position. After that, you simply subtract. And we have said when subtracting, you start on the lower side going to the higher side. You start with ones going upwards. So 5 subtract 9. We need to borrow 1 from 0. But since we have a 0, we need to borrow 1 from 5. So we borrow 1 from 5. Here we are left with 4. And here we have 10. Okay? Now out of this 10, we need to borrow 1. So here we are left with 9. And here we have 15. So 15 we subtract 9 will give us 6. And here we are left with 9. 9 we subtract 6, we have a 3. Then here we have 4. 4 we subtract 8. We need to borrow 1 from 6. So when you borrow 1, here it will be 14. So 14 we subtract 8, we are left with 6. And here we borrowed 1, so we are left with 5. 5 cannot subtract 7. We borrow 1 from 6 again here. So we have 15, and here we are left with 5. So 15 we subtract 7 will give us 8. And here we are left with 5. 5 we subtract 4 will give us 1. And finally here we are left with 9. And we don't have a number here. So we bring down the 9 like that. So this is our answer, which is 918,636. So the correct answer will be 918,636.